As you leave the plane, please watch the gap between the train and the platform.
Oh, that.
Think you could escape the grips of my forces?
Well, I couldn't really make that judgment, boss. We haven't known each other that long.
Aren't you an explosives expert?
Only not that much of an expert. If I can't disarm this thing, then we're all dead.
This will be quick. Once I kill you, I will be on my way.
Who says I won't kill you?
You wouldn't kill me.
You've done it before.
If that's so, then get on with it!
Do what you will, but no matter what, Paris will still exist, and the fatwa will be launched against you and your family. They will not let till you are dead.
Great. I can't wait.
Never was a quitter, tasted like a raindrop. She's got the look. Heavenly bound, cause heaven's got a number when she's spinning me around. Kissing is a color, her loving is a wild dog. She's got the look. 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 What in the world can make a brown-eyed girl turn blue? When everything I'll ever do, I do for you. And I go la 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 la. She's got the look. Na 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 na. She's got the look. She goes na 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 na. She's got the look. She's got the look. She goes na 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 na.
Should I?
It's a fucking dog eating a noodle. I'm just kidding. Sorry.